DWG is the industry standard file format for technical drawings in many sectors. For years, AutoCAD dominated the market until Graebert introduced a real alternative, giving users and developers a powerful DWG-based CAD platform at a fraction of the cost. Now, this is used by millions of professionals around the world. Meet Aries Commander, a full-featured CAD solution for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Packed with hundreds of 2D and 3D tools, it delivers everything you'd expect from AutoCAD or similar software, but without the high price tag. Beyond CAD features, Aries helps you future-proof your solutions with powerful BIM-specific capabilities and cloud-based collaboration tools. The user interface is fully customizable. You can tailor ribbons, menus, and icons to make it your own. Instead of offering your features as a plugin for AutoCAD, you can now integrate them directly with our CAD engine and sell an all-in-one standalone CAD solution under your brand. Plus, if you're migrating from AutoCAD, Aries makes it easy. Aries supports Lisp, COM, .NET, and the new FX-ARX API, which is source compatible with Object-ARX. Alternatively, the modern Trinity API enables you to use the same C++ code across Windows, Mac, and Linux, as well as Graebert's online and mobile CAD platforms. Aries offers flexible licensing options, so you can choose perpetual, annual, or network licenses to fit your business model. Get started today. Contact us to access our SDK and try it yourself.